because of the cutting-edge tools and experimental studies that will improve my comprehension of criminality and its solutions.
I want to improve my abilities in laboratory result, interpretation, forensic tool used in evidence analysis.
Paano nakatulong ang mga kasanayan na ito sa iyong paglalakbay sa kriminolohiya at sa iyong hinaharap na karera? I will have truer understanding of crime investigation and solving method thanks to disability will be crucial for my work as forensic scientist and criminologist.